Hello, this is the professional face breaker, the Bad Street Beauty, Miranda Gordy, daughter of pro wrestling legend Terry Bam Bam Gordy. And you are watching Jammin' Music Man here on YouTube. Enjoy, Nabes.
What's up, guys? This is me, Jammin' Music Man, and welcome to my special new video. And in this video, you guys are in for a real treat, because in this video right here, it's gonna get fired up, because in this video, you guys are gonna see the legendary, the former NWA World's Heavyweight Champion Tommy Wildfire Rich teaming up with Soul Man TC Carter to take on Mr. Hughes and Josef Von Schmidt. Now, this match did air in a previous video. Mine, it aired in my OSW Legends Fest 5 video that also features Ming, the Barbarian, Chad Skywalker, Persia Pierce, Zicky Dice, whole lot more. Link to that video will be in the description box below. But man, it's been quite a few years since we've seen Tommy Wildfire Rich in action here on my channel, so I'm excited to see the legend himself in action. But can he survive this matchup along with TC Carter? The only way you guys are going to know is tune in and find out. So enough of the talk. Let's get you guys down to ringside, and I'll catch you at the end of the match. Enjoy. hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Links to my Twitter and my Instagram will be in the description box below, so go follow me there. Also, I'll put a link to Old School Wrestling's Facebook page in the description box below, and I'll try to put links to Tommy Wildfire Rich, Soul Man TC Carter, Mr. Hughes, Josef Von Schmidt's social media sites in the description box below. So go follow them and tell them Jammin' Music Man sent you. But guys, thank you so much for always coming back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for always checking out my videos. And more importantly, thank you guys for your support. But until next time, I'm Jammin' Music Man, and I will see you guys all in the next video.